Mr. Ahmed's daily routine. Mr. Ahmed wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. He brushes his teeth, takes a shower, and gets dressed in his professional attire. He has breakfast with his family and leaves the house at 7 a.m. He drives to the NBI bank, arrives at the office around 7:30 and greets his colleagues. At 8 a.m., Mr. Ahmed begins his work. He checks his emails and responds to clients' queries. He reviews the latest financial reports and prepares for his meetings. Mr. Ahmed analyzes market trends and monitors the bank's investment portfolio. He often discusses financial strategies with his team and updates them on new policies. Around 10 a.m., Mr. Ahmed attends a meeting with the board of directors. They talk about the bank's performance and set new financial goals. He presents data on loan approvals, interest rates, and mortgage plans. He also advises on risk management and plans for future investment. By noon, Mr. Ahmed takes a short break for lunch. He eats at a nearby cafe and returns to the office by 1 p.m. In the afternoon, he meets with clients to discuss their financial needs and offers solutions. He helps them apply for loans, opens new accounts, and explains the bank's various financial products. Mr. Ahmed also processes transactions and verifies the accuracy of financial documents. Throughout the day, Mr. Ahmed uses different financial software to track the bank's performance. He calculates interest rates, updates the database, and generates financial reports. He calls clients to inform them about their account status and sends out monthly statements. At 5 p.m., Mr. Ahmed wraps up his work. He summarizes the day's activities and plans for the next day. He locks his office and leaves the bank. On his way home, he often stops by the store to pick up some essentials. When he gets home, Mr. Ahmed spends time with his family. They have dinner together and talk about their day. After dinner, he relaxes by reading a book or watches the news. Before going to bed, Mr. Ahmed prepares for the next day by organizing his work materials and setting his alarm. Finally, he goes to bed at 10 p.m., ready to start another productive day at the bank.